Hello everyone and welcome back to Enoven Cake and Cookies. I'm Nahida and today we are making something so simple yet delicious, 3 ingredient biscuits. Yes, just 3 ingredients and no oven needed. Let's get started. Take half cup of powdered sugar and add it to a bowl. Now add half cup of oil. Mix them really well until it becomes smooth and creamy. Always mix oil and sugar until smooth. It makes the texture of your biscuit soft and buttery. Now add 1 cup of flour. Yes, just that, and mix again until it forms a soft dough. Grease your hands lightly with oil to prevent sticking and shape your biscuits however you like, round, oval or even heart shape if you are feeling creative. Now use a stick to gently prick the top of each biscuit. This helps them cook evenly. These biscuits are egg-free and made without any artificial flavors. Using oil instead of butter makes them lighter and dairy-free. Homemade snacks are healthier than packaged ones with no added chemicals. Use a stick or fork to prick holes. This prevents puffing up in the middle. Portion control is easy. Just make small biscuit and enjoy guilt-free. Take a mold and lightly grease it with oil. Place a baking paper at the bottom to prevent sticking. Now gently place all the biscuits on it. In some cultures, biscuits are enjoyed with cheese instead of tea. Give it a try sometime. Your homemade biscuit is free from preservative and full of love. Next, take a deep pan and place a wire stand inside. Preheat it for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Now carefully place the mold inside. Cover it and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Always keep the heat low to medium while cooking in a pan. It helps avoid burning. Just look at these crispy biscuits, ready in no time and with only 3 ingredients, perfect for tea time or as a quick snack for the kid. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to Enoven Cake and Cookies for more easy and tasty recipes. Tell us in the comments what's your favorite quick snack, and remember, simple ingredients can create magical treats. Until next time, take care and happy cooking.